How to enable slow mode on Discord. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to activate slow mode in your Discord server. So now without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open the Discord app and navigate to the server where you want to enable slow mode. So just a heads up, you will need to be either the server owner or have admin permission to make this change. So now slow mode can't be applied to all channels at once, so you will need to set it up individually for each text channels. So pick the text channel that you want to manage and then tap on the edit channel, and here inside the settings you will find the option to adjust slow mode. So you can set the delay between messages 5 seconds, 10 seconds and so on, or you can turn it off entirely if needed. And that's it. That's how you can easily turn on slow mode in your Discord server. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next video.